Good morning class. Today we will study about how to write chemical formula stepwise. So first you need to learn name of the element and their symbol. Next step you will learn name of the ion and their symbol along with power. They contain positive ion and negative ion, you can see in this pic. So you need to learn it like this: sodium Na+, magnesium Mg2+, aluminium Al3+. Like that you will learn it. Now suppose if you have to write formula of sodium chloride. So first you should know what is the symbol of sodium. Already you know that symbol of sodium is Na and symbol of chloride is Cl. So in first step we will write symbol, and next step we will write the ion or the charge present in this element. Sodium contain one positive charge and Cl contain one negative charge. So we will write the ion symbol here. This one is the first step. Second step, common factor if any is removed in the charges of the two ions. Both elements contain the same charge, one positive and one negative. So we will remove one. Third step, charges of two ions are crisscrossed. These crisscrossed numbers are now written at the bottom right of the symbols of two ions. For example, you can see here, suppose we are writing chemical formula of sodium oxide. So in first step we will write its symbol. Sodium symbol is Na, oxide symbol is O. Then we will write positive and negative ion on them. Sodium has one positive ion and oxygen is having two negative ion. Then in next step we will crisscross, means oxygen ion will come here at the bottom and sodium ion will come at the right bottom of the oxygen. So here you can see at the last step what happened. Na2 and O, Na2O. This will be the formula after crisscrossing the ion present in it. Next example we will see calcium carbonate. So first we will write symbol of calcium Ca, carbonate symbol CO3. Then we will write the charges present on them. Two positive charge on calcium and two negative charge on carbonate. So we are finding one common factor here. Both are having same number of charge, that is 2. So we will remove 2 here. We will crisscross it and the common factor 2 is present in both of them. So we will remove 2 and the formula will be CaCO3. Now I will give you so many name of the chemical compound which you will write stepwise formula. Thank you class.